Now let's discuss about the growth in organisms. It is an irreversible, permanent process that involves the increase in the number of cells, size, volume, and also weight of the organism's body. Also, it involves differentiation, cell specialization, and also specializing the shapes and also functions of cells. And why is it important? It is for the development and also maturation of the bodily systems. So, how do we measure growth in humans and animals? By looking at these two parameters. Number one is that by measuring the increase in size or volume by looking at the by measuring the height or the length of organisms. Again, number two is by measuring the changes in the weight, and we have two types of weight right here: fresh versus dry weight. So let's look at the first one, dry weight first. Refers to the weight of an organism after all the fluid is removed from the body. And this is done by weighing the organisms after it has been dried in the oven at 100 degrees Celsius repeatedly until the weight remains the same, no longer changes. So the weakness is that it's quite obvious that to obtain this dry weight, the organisms has to be killed. However, it is more suitable to plants. Okay, for fresh weight, this can be taken whenever it is convenient, and that organisms do not need to be killed. However, this method is less accurate because the amount of fluid in the body is dependent on the organism's fluid intake, and therefore this parameter is measured for a certain amount of time.